Kimiging versus Ikaw. Carmen averred that Felix forced her into a sexual relation, resulting in her pregnancy. Carmen filed a petition for support of the child and damages. Felix moved to dismiss, contending there is no evidence the child was born. Hence the issue, whether or not Carmen can ask for support despite the failure to allege fact of birth. Yes, Article 40 of the Civil Code recognizes the provisional personality of the unborn child. Hence, the judgment is reversed.